According to the National Diaper Bank Network, new data shows half of U.S. parents cannot afford enough diapers to keep their infant or child clean, dry, and healthy.
SAL Community Services is hoping to remove that burden here in the Quad Cities with a diaper collection drive. And joining us to talk more about this is Amber Wood with SAL Community Services. Thank you for joining us.
Glad to be here.
Yeah, so you all are hosting this on behalf of Heine Heroes, and tell us about SAL Community Services.
Certainly. SAL Community Services is a nonprofit in the Quad Cities that has roots going back to 1970 with our first child care center, probably our flagship program that most people are most familiar with, Skip Along Childhood Centers. Today, over the last 50 years, we've really grown into a regional organization where we cover 17 counties. We have a bi-state footprint, really working in early care and education, child care resource and referral, and stabilization programs. With our mission is really to strengthen children, families, and individuals to build and enhance thriving communities, and we do that one interaction at a time.
Wow. And, you know, we're talking, of course, about an event that you're hosting for Heine Heroes, Diaper Drive. Of course, a big need for that. What do we need to know about this event?
Yeah, we are so grateful for the partnership with Heine Heroes. Because of that partnership, we're able to support the families that we are partnering with every single day. Diapers are a huge need. They're not covered with the SNAP benefits. They're not covered by TANF or other government support. So diaper expenses can be upwards of $80 or more per month for a child. And so if you have multiple children in diapers, that can be an expensive cost for those families. And so our goal is really to be able to help Heine Heroes host their largest drive ever by collecting more than 15,000 diapers, starting on October 23rd with our 12 hours of giving, if you will, and really extending throughout the week. So our goal is to engage the community in this opportunity to help end diaper need.
Awesome. So are there certain sizes that are in need in our community?
Sure. Sizes 4, 5, and 6 are probably the most prevalent. However, any diaper size is welcome. One thing I really want to highlight, especially for those families with kiddos that might be transitioning between diaper sizes, open packages are welcome. We can work with the diaper bank to be able to repackage those and distribute them to families in need.
Well, and you're talking about families in need. How big of a need is this in the community? I mean, some people who don't have kids maybe don't realize.
So in Scott and Rock Island County, where Heine Heroes really focuses, last year they distributed over 55,000 diapers.
Wow.
So far this year, they have distributed over 90,000. So they are on track to distribute more than double what they distributed in the prior year. And September was the largest month ever, with more than 19,000 diapers being distributed in the month of September alone. Really, what does that mean in numbers? What does 19,000 diapers mean? It means that 382 babies were clean, dry, and healthy because of the resource that was able to be provided.
Yeah, so can you talk a little bit more about who will get the donated diapers and just how can people get them in need?
Sure. So Heine Heroes has a network of agency partners, of which SAL Community Services is one. Heine Heroes collects the diapers, they package them into packages of 25, and then we're able to distribute them through our networks as well as the other agency partners. All of Heine Heroes partners are listed on their website at heineheroes.com. A great place to learn more about diaper need in our community and the distribution network that's right here in our community.
That's so incredible. Well, thank you so much, Amber. We do want to recap this for you. SAL Community Services and Heine Heroes are hosting that diaper drive Monday, October 23rd, and it runs from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m.
The kickoff drive is held at the SAL Community Services Center on Avenue of the Cities, and then it's continuing all week, ending at 4 p.m. on Friday, and we'll have this information on our website at WQAD.com.